In this video, we'll go over how to add and customize the book recommendation widget. The book recommendation widget is a great way to share reading suggestions, encourage learning, and keep your screen content fresh and engaging. It can be especially useful in schools, libraries, offices, waiting areas, community spaces, or anywhere you want to highlight books, promote reading, or feature daily recommendations. To get started, go to Campaigns. Open the campaign you want to edit. Next, select the zone where you want the book recommendation widget to appear. Once the zone is selected, click Add Widget. From the widget catalog, search for Book Recommendation or scroll until you find it. Click the widget to open the settings. First, you can adjust the cycle interval. The cycle interval controls how many seconds each book recommendation stays on screen before switching to the next one. For example, if the interval is set to 15 seconds, one recommendation will display for 15 seconds before the widget moves to the next one. Next, you can choose which details to show. You can turn the author, genre, rating, and year on or off, depending on how much information you want to display. This gives you flexibility to keep the design simple or include more detail for viewers. After that, choose the style you want to use. There are different styles available, such as library shelf, modern review, vintage bookstore, dark reader, and neon bookmark. Choose the one that best fits your campaign design. Each style can be customized with different colors. You can adjust the background, text, primary, and accent colors to match the look of your campaign. You can also choose the fonts used in the widget. The global font helps control the overall style, and you can also adjust the title font and description font. You can change the font family and font size to make the book recommendation easier to read on screen. Once the book recommendation widget looks the way you want, click Insert to Zone. The widget will now appear in the selected zone. After the widget is added, you can still make changes. Click the pencil icon to edit the widget settings. You can also duplicate the widget or delete it if needed. If the zone has more than one piece of content, you can increase or decrease the occurrence count to control how often the widget appears. You can also adjust the duration to control how long the widget stays on screen before moving to the next item. If needed, you can enable a schedule so the widget only plays on certain days or during certain times. When everything is set, click Save. If the campaign is already assigned to a live screen, click Save and Update Players so the update is pushed to your players right away. That's how to add, customize, schedule, and manage the book recommendation widget in your campaign.